Want smoother gameplay and more FPS in Fortnite on PC? Let's optimize your graphics settings. First, open Fortnite, go to the main menu and click the gear icon to access settings. Second, set display mode to full screen for the best performance. Third, match your resolution to your monitor's native settings, but lower it slightly if you need extra FPS. Fourth, set view distance to medium, shadows to off, and anti-aliasing to medium for balance. Fifth, enable DLSS or FSR if supported, turn off motion blur, and set frame rate limit to match your monitor's refresh rate. And that's it. Your Fortnite is now optimized for smooth competitive gameplay on PC. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And have fun playing Fortnite.